Why is it that some men attract women like magnets while others can't get a second glance? What's the secret behind that pull, that charm, that charisma? Is there a cheat sheet that can turn you into that man? Well, the answer is yes. There are proven tricks that can instantly make you more appealing to women. It's all about playing the right cards, making the right moves, and ticking the right boxes. So right now, you guys are about to get access to some super secret information. When I say super secret, I'm going to be telling you the 7 main attraction triggers that make a woman want to sleep with a man. Give me your full attention, because what I'm about to share with you is crucial. Use these guidelines with good intentions and be a real man. Let's dive into the very first reason. 1. Validation. The first way to tell if a woman wants to sleep with a guy is her need for validation. Women will often desire to sleep with you if doing so elevates her status. It needs to feel like a win for her. Look at social media and the internet right now. What are guys typically addicted to? Bad, dirty, vulgar websites. What are women typically into? Social media, taking pictures, getting attention, getting likes, getting validation. The girl you like already knows that you probably want to sleep with her. If it doesn't feel like validation for her, it's not likely to happen. No female wants to feel like she was won over too readily, or like you're a low-value random junkie. Many men overlook this because they don't realize that women often sleep with men to feel validated. Just like girls need attention, validation will be the main driver. Let me share a story about my friend Jack. In his early 20s, Jack was seeing a girl he didn't connect with. He told her it wasn't a good fit and that they shouldn't keep seeing each other. After he said this, she suddenly started begging Jack to sleep with her, trying to undress and almost crying. Why did she do that? Once that validation or acceptance is gone, women want you more. You must remember this before going in. Women desire an excuse to sleep with men. It may be competition, anxiety, your status, work, fitness, looks, or anything appealing. You have to position your value every time in an interaction or date as a win for her. 9 times out of 10, it won't work if it doesn't benefit her. That's the main appeal trigger and driving power. And once again, Stoics, thank you so much to the channel subscribers. You are my family, and I create this content for you. Love you guys. 2. Confidence and self-assurance. Confidence is one of the most attractive qualities a man can possess. It's not about arrogance, but about being sure of who you are and what you bring to the table. Women are naturally drawn to men who exude self-assurance. This confidence signals that you are capable, reliable, and comfortable in your own skin. Imagine walking into a room with your head held high, making eye contact and speaking clearly. These actions demonstrate confidence and can make a significant impact on how women perceive you. It's about believing in yourself and your abilities. Practice self-improvement regularly, whether it's through reading, working out, or honing a skill. The more you invest in yourself, the more confident you'll become. Remember, confidence is contagious. When you believe in yourself, others will too. 3. Competition anxiety. This one is important, so listen closely. A woman's worst competition anxiety dread is you falling in love with someone else. It's often not the intimacy with another girl that worries them, but the fear of that man falling in love with another woman. On an evolutionary level, pregnancy risk means she doesn't want to be without resources or help. If you're a man of value, status, and the type of guy she feels validated by, she doesn't want you to fall in love with another woman. Women will be more likely to sleep with you if they notice other women interested in you because they want to lock you down and emotionally invest in you. Her goal is to make you like her on a human level, not just sexually. Leveraging competitive fear can give you more options in the long run. By watching these videos, it's clear you're someone eager to improve, and that's worthy of admiration. You've demonstrated willpower and the desire for self-improvement. Subscribe to our channel for a clear path to success in any area of your life. Stick with us and improve your life. 4. Authenticity. In a world full of pretense, authenticity stands out. Being genuine and true to yourself is a powerful way to attract women. Authenticity means showing your real self, including your strengths and weaknesses. Women appreciate men who are honest and transparent, as it builds trust and fosters deeper connections. To be authentic, don't try to be someone you're not just to impress her. Share your true thoughts and feelings, and don't be afraid to show vulnerability. Authenticity also involves living according to your values and principles. When you are authentic, you create an atmosphere of trust and respect. making it easier for her to connect with you on a deeper level. Authenticity is about being comfortable with who you are and allowing her to see the real you. 5. Constantly be building. Whether you're building your business, your body in the gym, or your fighting skills in a boxing or MMA gym, the key is that you have to be building yourself. A man who's always constructing something is more attractive to women in the long run. Understanding these attraction triggers and the power of building yourself will set you apart from others. Hold yourself to high standards, but don't forget these rules in your dating life. Every man writes his own fate, his own destiny, and his own story. I encourage you to learn what you need before it's too late. Write in the comment section, "I am a powerful person, and I learn and increase my knowledge daily." There's a powerful video coming soon, so subscribe to this channel. Look at the screen to watch one of those powerful stoicism videos to gain extra knowledge about female nature. I'll see you in the next video. Take care of yourself, my friend. 6. Emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence, EQ, is the ability to understand and manage your own emotions, as well as recognize and influence the emotions of others. High EQ is crucial in forming deep, meaningful relationships. Women appreciate men who can empathize with their feelings and respond appropriately. To develop emotional intelligence, practice active listening. Pay attention to what she says without interrupting, and show genuine interest. Reflect on your own emotions, and understand how they influence your actions. Emotional intelligence also involves being open about your feelings and creating a safe space for her to do the same. By demonstrating empathy and understanding, you build a stronger emotional connection, making you more appealing as a partner. 7. Biological drive for kids. A woman's drive to have kids can motivate her to sleep with a man. Shocking, right? But sleeping with a man can cause pregnancy. Women's biological clocks consistently tick. You'll notice that women begin to seek men who have their lives set up with job prospects and career stability. Women who want to invest in you value those traits. It's important to ensure you're meeting those basic needs and providing stability and security. By incorporating confidence, emotional intelligence, and authenticity into your interactions, you can significantly enhance your appeal to women. These qualities, combined with the earlier mentioned attraction triggers, will help you build meaningful and lasting connections. Embrace these principles and continue to improve yourself. If you found this content valuable, please like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Keep growing and stay unyielding.